everybody, it's Robert here again with another video. This time we're going to talk about part 3 of the free software series. This time Ubuntu Linux and also other Linux distributions. And right now, I have 40 subscribers, so share this with your friends and your family, and let's get that number up to 50 or even 100. So, sorry I haven't filmed a video for the past couple of weeks. I've been pretty busy with volleyball and with a new facility in Valparaiso called the 850 Elite volleyball facility, and they're going to start having leagues pretty soon, so I'm kind of excited about that. And some minor car problems, which was actually quite an easy fix. Alright, let's get going. Alright, first piece of software I want to let you know, some of these are cross-platform, like through multiple operating systems, and these typically use the Ubuntu Software Center to install. Or if, in the case of like Fedora and Linux Mint, they would probably use the Synaptic Package Manager, and it's a way to install files like that have the extension .deb, or in the case of Fedora, .rpm. So the first piece of software for music composers, called Musescore, and basically that piece of software just, like similar to Windows and Macintosh, they have you can actually compose actual sheet music, and I've been doing that for a song that I'll talk about in another video. Next, of course, VLC Media Player, but I've got a better media player that actually has organization. VLC doesn't really organize music very well. I'll tell you about that when we get to it. Okay, next one is Audacity for audio editing. And you can edit multiple tracks of audio. You put all kinds of effects on it. Even change the pitch, change the tempo, things like that, which is actually quite helpful. A couple more. I'm sure you know Skype and Spotify. Spotify is similar to Pandora, or Last.fm, or iHeartRadio. It's just that those two programs need terminal commands to install, so you're probably going to have to look up how to do that. And you have to import some packages before you can install them. These next couple are actually for engineering people. One of them is called Octave, or QtOctave. That's how it's known in Linux, the Linux version. And that's basically the same as MATLAB. And FreeMat is a smaller version of MATLAB, MATLAB alternative that's possibly, it's okay, but it's not fully featured like Octave. Also, for circuit design, you have LTSpice. That one requires the Wine Windows emulator, which you can get from the Software Center. and Avidemux or Avidemux. Yeah, Avidemux. That's a video editor. I don't really use that because it's not really full featured. Like the software that I use, which is Windows Live Movie Maker. For worship presentation software, you can use OpenShot or OpenLP. Those do the same thing. They present like lyrics on the screen, or verses, scripture verses, sermon notes, or any other kind of presentation type notes. OpenLP and OpenShot do that. I prefer OpenLP because it's a little bit cleaner and almost similar to Easy Worship. Okay, another one would be Python 3, which that's needed to run Python scripts, which there are classes available to do that, to learn Python. Like I use Solo Learn and Coursera A. And those are pretty much, you can enroll in those for free, except in Coursera A. If you want to get this, get the certificate and take the final exam and get the certificate, then you're gonna have to pay like $45. But the material itself is free. Okay. And the better alternative to VLC Player is Clementine and Amarok. So try those. And one last piece of software, which is a game that you can play with. Well, you know that the Linux mascot is Tux the Penguin. Well, there's a way you can race Tux called Extreme Tux Racer, and that's where you, in many different conditions, like you can control the weather, you can control what the time of the day, whether it's morning, day, evening, night, things like that. And there's also one more game called Tux Puck, for those who are fans of Pong or even air hockey. It's pretty much, Tux Puck is pretty much air hockey with some cool effects. And DreamChess is another game for chess lovers. And that DreamChess is also for Windows, and Extreme Tux Racer is also for Windows. I'll have to see if Tux Puck is for Windows as well. Okay, that's all I have for today in terms of the software. Let's see what I get to do. Oh, dance to music. I'll have to play some music, but I'll just that's all I do. Okay, that's all I have for today, and have a nice day and take care. Bye.